Hello guys, this is KyoJun, your official guide for FINA World Championships 2019. Today I visited Gwangju Airport because some of you might visit here through airplanes. This airport is very compact compared to other international airports in South Korea, such as Incheon International Airport or Gimpo International Airport. But still, there are lots of facilities and lots of places to visit. So I'll tell you about all the information you need in this video. Let's go. Gwangju Airport is on the midwestern part of Gwangju. The airport is pretty close to Gwangju Songjong Station, and there is a subway station named Gongang near the airport. There is an information center where you can ask anything, and a lobby and first floor where you can check things from your airline, or you can use a self-check-in kiosk for your boarding process. Restrooms are located on both sides of each floor. You can pay for parking with this kiosk if you need. For its information center and car rental booth are next to each other. You can charge your smartphone here, and also there is a motorized wheelchair recharging machine. Vending machine, public telephone booth, automatic telling machine are all in first floor, and you can meet Suri and Dari here. Restaurant, cafe, convenience store, and resting area are all on second floor. So please take your time upstairs if you need. Today I showed you how Gwangju Airport looks like. As you saw in this video, this airport is connected directly to a subway station. You can either ride a bus or a taxi, or you can rent a car, or you can ride a subway to move to another places in Gwangju. If this video helped you, please press like. And if you need some latest news about FINA World Championships 2019, please press subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.